take out the coil packs, you're going to need a 5.5 socket. I'm standing on the passenger side of the engine, and from the passenger side, this is the first coil pack, cylinders 2 and 5. The middle one is cylinder 6 and 3, and the one closest to the driver's side is cylinders 1 and 4. Now, each coil pack has 2 bolts that are holding it in, one in the front and one in the rear back here. That's what you're going to use your 5.5 socket on, and these should come out fairly easy. And these bolts are fairly long, and we'll do the same thing on the rear bolt. Have both screws out, both bolts out of the first coil pack, and we're just gonna ease that on out. This is where I took the coil pack off, and if you can see, we have a new one of these that we're going to put on, so we're going to take this one off and toss it away. I'm just using a pick just to pull it off. Just going to use my finger and pull it off. And we'll put the new one on. There's 2 little slots, and then just push it back all the way down. Then just move on to the other 2 coil packs and do the same thing. These are the old coil packs back here. Remember, they had the numbers on them. These are the new coil packs. They did not have the numbers on them, so I just used a gray Sharpie, a silver Sharpie, and I put the corresponding numbers on the new ones that were on the old ones, and double checked according to my chart. And 4 and 1. This one got a little screwed up. I hit a ridge as I was making the 1, so disregard that. That's a 1. And now I'm going to proceed to put the new coil packs on. On the bottom of each coil pack, you can see these 2 slots. Those have to plug into the 2 pins on each coil pack. So it's going to go on like this. I'm putting in the top screw of number 5 and 2 coil. First, you can see the bolt, you can line it up in the hole. And don't tighten it down all the way yet. Just get it snug, and then we're going to proceed to the next coil and then the last coil. Put the top screws in those, and then we're going to feed in the bottom screws bolts, and then we're done with that. I have all 3 top bolts finger tightened in. Now I'm going to proceed to put the 3 bottom bolts and finger tighten them. I have all the bolts finger tightened. What I'm going to do now is hook up all the boots of the spark plug wires onto the coils, the corresponding cylinders. Okay, everything's hooked back together.